Are you reliable? Hi, my name is Jeff Raker. Welcome to the question for today. Do people know what they're going to get from you every single time? Are you consistent? Are you reliable? The best leaders are consistent in their behaviors, in their decision making. People know what they're going to get, so it builds trust in the relationship. Do you bounce emotionally from here to there, or do you make decisions more rationally? And when you aren't consistent, do you recognize it and apologize for it? Be a leader that is consistent, that people can rely on. Because so much of our world can't be relied on, let people be able to rely on you. Level up your leadership with this question for today.